If you want Microsoft Edge to automatically protect your browsing by switching to secure HTTPS connections whenever possible, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to enable HTTPS only mode in Edge in just a few clicks. This is a simple privacy and security setting that can help make your browsing safer by encouraging Edge to use secure versions of websites whenever they're available. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can change privacy, security, and browsing preferences. In the Settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge keeps many of its security and tracking controls, so this is the section you want. Now scroll down until you find the security section. Depending on your browser version, you may need to scroll a little farther to see it. Inside this section, look for the option that says Automatically Switch to More Secure Connections with Automatic HTTPS. This is the setting that helps Edge try HTTPS instead of unsecured HTTP when a secure version of the page is available. Go ahead and turn that option on. Once enabled, Edge will automatically attempt to use a safer connection for websites whenever possible. That means better protection against insecure connections while you browse, shop, or log in to websites. If you see any related prompts or additional choices, just review them and keep the setting enabled. In most cases, that's all you need to do. There's no complicated setup, no extension required, and no extra software to install. After turning it on, you can simply close the Settings tab and continue browsing as normal. Edge will now do more of the work in the background to help you stay on secure connections. It's a small change, but it's a smart one, especially if you care about privacy and safer browsing habits. If you want more browser tips like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. And if this video helped you enable HTTPS only mode in Edge, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.